Elon Musk revealed Tesla phone. While the world is still basking in the euphoria of Elon Musk's electric vehicles, space exploration, and self-driving software, the eccentric CEO and billionaire has shown with his latest announcements that he is truly just getting started. Elon Musk, through his company Tesla, is set to release a smartphone called the Tesla Model Pi. And this launch has got everyone in the technology game abuzz with excitement. Given his track record of incredible inventions from reusable rockets to self-driving tech, the whole world is buzzing to see what special functionalities Elon would put in his Tesla Model Pi. What would Elon include in his smartphone to make it stand out from the tough competition that's currently in that space? The Tesla Model Pi has already been predicted to be a real gadget game-changer when it hits the market. And researchers have said that it will give other phone competitors a run for their money, just as Toyota and NASA can testify. Although the release date of the Tesla Model Pi is still being kept secret by the company, the features and design of the gadget are already known. And let's start with a ladder design. It has been announced that the designer of the Tesla smartphone is the same designer that has made a lot of Apple's exciting products, Antonio De Rosa of ADR Studios. Antonio will make the Tesla smartphone in honor of Tesla and Starlink SpaceX. Many gadget market researchers have noticed that the Tesla Model Pi looks a lot like the iPhone 12, with the biggest similarity being the camera module. Although the Pi is set to come with 4 cameras, they're positioned in a square frame just like the iPhone 12. However, it definitely stands out from the iPhone 12 and every other smartphone that's out right now, thanks to the photochromic coating at the back of the phone that shimmers different colors depending on how light hits it. You also have a built-in solar panel at the back of the phone that charges the phone when you're using it outside. You can use your phone while walking between classes or juice it up without having to plug it in. It gives you a lot more battery on the go while eco-friendly. Now, this is a mind-blowing invention and a much-needed innovation in the gadget industry, and we must commend this because Apple is seemingly moving in the opposite direction with its inefficient wireless charging technology that consumes a lot more power than regular wire charging. One downside to this is that with a built-in solar panel at the back of the phone, we won't be able to use a case. However, we're sure that for all the benefits that come with, we can all live with this small disadvantage. They're just going to have to make the material a lot more durable for when it falls. Let's talk cameras. The Tesla Model Pi is equipped with a night mode camera that captures beautiful shots in the dark. And of course, it's amazing at astrophotography. But really, did you expect anything less from the man that sent a literal Tesla into space? Apart from night mode and moon gazing, the cameras also come with an ultra-wide lens and a macro lens for taking really wide shots and really close-up shots. Both of these lenses are pretty standard on most modern flagships, so we're not surprised. Now, what is not pretty standard on flagships is an under-display front-facing camera. Yes, a few companies have tried to implement this idea, but it's still very rare and more of a gimmick than a real outstanding camera at this point. So it was a shock when Tesla revealed this smartphone without any noticeable notch or punch hole for the front-facing camera. Many experts believe that the camera will actually be under the display, and this is actually a huge call from Tesla. It'll definitely take a lot of work to make a selfie camera that's hidden under the display but still captures excellent pictures and videos. If it's a bad camera, this feature will end up being a gimmick like all the other under-display selfie cameras in the market right now. Elon Musk is a true visionary. No one can deny that. And sometimes the things he does are just out of this world. Literally. The Tesla Model Pi takes internet access and connectivity to a whole new level with its access to Starlink satellite internet. With this, you're no longer stuck with your crappy internet provider. The developers have affirmed that the data download and upload speed will be up to 210 megabits per second. The amazing outcome of the Starlink satellite access is that the Tesla Model Pi should be able to work on Mars too. Now, if the Tesla Model Pi comes out, it wouldn't be the first satellite smartphone as there's already Iridium and Thuraya, but it wouldn't be the first satellite phone compatible with Starlink. Starlink is one of Elon's latest technologies, an under construction globespan and communications satellite being developed by SpaceX to deliver high-speed internet to everyone in the world from big cities to the most remote villages. There are currently over 1,600 Starlink satellites in operation. The goal is to get to 40,000 and boom, internet for the entire world. Now, that's a true earther. Right now, the monthly subscription for Starlink Internet access is set at $99, but purchasing the phone will most likely come with a subsidized payment plan for Internet access. Another amazing feature of the Tesla Model Pi is that it will be a Neuralink phone, a phone that will be connected to the brain using the brain phone interface from a Neuralink. At this point, all that's left is for the phone to be a self-driving vehicle because Elon is not holding back with us. Why? Basically, with this Neuralink technology, Tesla Model Pi will be able to read information from the brain directly, so you don't have to touch the screen or anything. Just think it, and the phone doesn't just think about it. Instead of having to speak to your Google Assistant out loud, you can just think of the function you want it to perform and it'll do it right away. Although some people have said that Neuralink isn't anywhere close to releasing consumer-level brain-machine interface products yet, the simple fact that this is even a possibility in our lifetime is exciting on its own. Another feature of the Tesla Model Pi is the potential to mine Mars coin cryptocurrency. Mars Coin launched in 2014, and they are virtual coins designed to be used on Mars. It is not news that Elon Musk desires to settle on planet Mars and create a colony there. So he developed the Mars Coin to be the currency of Mars. Included in the Tesla Pi model is an internal minting application. It's a no-brainer that one feature Elon will add to the Tesla smartphone is its connectivity with the Tesla EV. With the Tesla Model Pi, owners of Tesla EVs will be able to drive their cars using their smartphone just like a video game. The Tesla smartphone will include lock and unlock features, remote commands from the phone instead of from inside the car. And you'd be able to monitor all the car specifications from the battery to the temperature to lighting. This is definitely a strong selling point for the phone, because if you're already using a Tesla EV, it just is easier to get a Tesla Model Pi. We all know about gadget ecosystems and how they lure you in, as the technology world waits earnestly for the release of the Tesla Model Pi. There are still some unanswered questions such as how much will the phone cost? Would it have a SIM card? What would be the monthly charge for a Starlink subscription? And if one can buy the phone without first buying a Tesla EV, we are hopeful that with the release of the smartphone, all these questions will be answered. Tesla Model Pi is sure to be a competition to Apple, Samsung, and other phone manufacturers because it offers something completely new to the market, a market that has been lacking excitement for quite some time now. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. For more videos like this, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an upload. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.